9.41 is a free update to all 5D owners. It contains a number of updates and bug fixes, some of which we will now demonstrate. To install 9.41, you will need to have first installed the 9.4 update. You can get the update by clicking on 5D Configure and then clicking on the Smart Update. The first new item to show you is some of the new thread ranges. We click on the design, then select the first colour. Up comes our colour selection dialog box. We can now see a new thread range, BFC Poly. If we open up the drop down box, we can see some more new thread ranges from Floriani and Thread Art. We've also added colours to the Sulky range and the Signature range. If we select the Signature range, and now let's make it a little bit more interesting by selecting one of the variegated threads. Click OK, and now we can see our lettering in a variegated thread. If we zoom out, we'll see another addition. This, as you can see, is a new hoop. This is one of the brother hoops, one of the 85 plus hoops which we've now added to the system. If we go to our machine manager, we'll also be able to see the new groupings which we've included. We have now new groupings for Baby Lock and Happy machines, as well as adding a number of new machines from existing makers. There has also been updates as to how we save for Brother and Gnome machines. If we click on the design, then we go to our File, Save As. The dialog box will now come up. We can enter the name. Now change the extension to a PES. Click on Save. And a second dialog box will come up. Here you enter the design information for the machine in which you intend to sew on. So I would want a domestic type machine. The file version is going to be 9, that's the PES file version, and the hoop size will be 200 by 200. And down below it shows you the orientation. And now click OK. And there you've saved your PES file. If I want to save for a Gnome file, I'd go up to the File, click Save As, box comes up, I enter the information again, change the extension to a GEF file, click Save, and a different box will come up. With Gnome machines, you select the machine type first. That will then give you a list of hoops, and then the orientation. That covers the main features for the 9.41 update. Happy embroidering!